So you might be in a situation where Instagram Reels and whatnot are actually just not loading. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, if you're going through and if you're actually, trying to load up some Instagram Reels or you're loading up some TikToks or whatever the case is, there can be a lot of situations where, these things will not load up. So the very first thing I would recommend doing is going through and just checking your internet connection. This is the number one reason why basically your things will not load up, and it happens all of the time. So what I would recommend doing here is pretty much just going through, check your internet connection. You can take a look at the top right corner. If it says no service anywhere up here on your phone, you can also swipe down and check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. On top of that, you might as well just go ahead and pretty much load up any other website. So go and start loading up websites like Apple or whatever the case is, and just make sure that your phone is actually connected to internet. For a lot of people out there, this is probably going to be the main problem that you're having. And as long as you can rest assured that this isn't the issue, then you probably won't be having any issues here. So that's the very first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, for some reason that is still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is going back into Instagram and seeing if that specific user account for some reason is the reason that it's not, working. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and make sure that your specific user account that you're trying to look for isn't banned or that they didn't ban you or anything like that. That can also sometimes be the issue, so just make sure that's not quite the case. Now, on top of that, if that's still not working, what you may want to do now is to go ahead and essentially see if Instagram is actually down. So you can do this by going to a website like downdetector.com or isitdown.com. There's a lot of different websites like this. So you can just Google down detector like this. You can go make your way over to this website. And if Instagram is like down or if it's not working, usually it's going to be one of the first little ones that come up. So you can see right here that Instagram is basically not here. It is here. But you can see it's pretty much almost like a straight line with some bumps in the middle. So you can see that it's probably not down. So there's really not anything you're going to have to do here. So this is another thing that kind of happens. So in this case, you can probably see that Instagram is not down. If it's still not working, you can make your way over to your app store like this, and you can go and update Instagram. So just go ahead and update Instagram just by typing in Instagram just like so. And a majority of the time by updating it, you might be seeing that the problem will now actually be fixed. So that is pretty much how to do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.